Good morning, word study friends. Today we are going to take our test for letter feature O, sort 31. Please listen carefully to the words as I say them, and feel free to pause this video at any time. Here we go, ready to begin. Number 1, dozen. I needed to get a dozen eggs at the grocery store. Dozen. Number 2, button. I needed to sew the button back on my sweater. Button. Number 3, darken. Please darken the shades so we can watch the movie. Darken. Number 4, awaken. She tried to awaken before her alarm went off, but was not successful. Number 4 is awaken. Number 5, cabin. This weekend we are going to the cabin in the woods. Number 5 is cabin. Number 6, chicken. Tonight we are having chicken for dinner. Chicken. Number 7, fasten. Be sure to fasten your seatbelt as soon as you get into the car. Number 7's word study word is fasten. Number 8, robin. I saw a robin in the tree the other day, so spring must be close by. Number 8, robin. Number 9, cousin. My cousin will come over this weekend and we will spend time playing together. Number 9 is cousin. Number 10, woman. I saw a woman at the store the other day that resembled my sister. Number 10 is woman. Okay, we're going to go back through. I'm just going to repeat numbers 1 through 10, and then we'll go to our curveball words for 11 and 12. Number 1, dozen. Number 2, button. Number 3, darken. Number 4, awaken. Number 5, cabin. Number 6, chicken. Number 7, fasten. Number 8, robin. Number 9, cousin. And number 10, woman. Your first curveball word for this week, children. The children were playing on the playground. Children. And number 12, shorten. Wouldn't it be nice if they decided to shorten our school day? Shorten is your last curveball word. Please don't forget to do your discovery, double check the spelling of your words, and have a great day.